So, don't mind my car, don't look at my license plate. We are here at the goat farm. I don't know. We're about to shoot. That car looks stolen. And it's gonna be nice. Candace is gonna get majority of what's going on behind the scenes while we walk to the different locations and stuff. It's gonna be dope. Wait, it's this way. All right.
Incorporate in a shoot, so
Anything can work.
we'll see.
I've done a photo shoot where I had to use my ear.
Really? I haven't used this. I kind of.
So we're just gonna act like we didn't see that sign, and we're just gonna speed on through this walkway. Right now we're at the goat farm, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. I'm trying to get to the actual video so you guys can get started with everything, but I just want to let you know where we were shooting. I enjoy the video. I tell people all the time, you can take one corner of a whole building and make it something
Shoot
amazing.
it 1,000 ways too.
It's a concrete jungle.
And I brought a off-camera light too, which is kind of something I'm getting better at learning too. It's like I want to expose different shots differently. So I'll use some natural light, but I want to have some with that light on you as well.
Okay.
But yeah, it'll be fun.
So, where's the light? So it's really hot out here, but we're gonna get it cracking.
She sells rap compels when I tell tales, never leave out details on the skill scale, nor excel. When I exhale, look at glacial. When the bee hell, I'm a email a female, never tuck tail, look at beach tail, never back down, cause I won't fail, substantial, never derail. Proceed, yes I shall. Ain't never gotta say my name, cause you will learn who the fuck I am, and ain't never gotta ask for room, I make space anywhere I stand, cause I ain't never been a silly hoe. Scandalous, they can't handle it, should never dare me, I rise like Lazarus. When I spit, oh shit, I be candlelit, cause my verse feed the savages. Wait a minute, hold up. They know when the dope is sold, my pussy good, make a hood nigga do-si-do. The only game that I'm playing is a Game of Thrones. Spark nigga, Stark sigil, I'ma hold my own, cause I'm a big bad wolf. Never met a nigga that I ain't had shook. If he take one look, better so get took, better so get, ooh, wait a minute, breathe. Contemplate, no need to contemplate. If you wanna double up, you better bet your bank on me. Contemplate, no need to contemplate. If you wanna double up, you better bet your bank on me. Condescend like consciousness is common sense. I live what I represent. I never need for shit. I never sit the fence. I never vent to the ground when it get intense. When the stars on the line, never stress those. Met a nigga full of shit, passed to him like Pepto. Own beef over Dino. Still a nigga, give him back.
You're such an ugly man.
A very attractive looking man.
Yeah, higher. Actually,
Very
before we do
true.
that, let's get one perfectly centered, just where you're standing. Yeah, if you could raise it up.
These mosquitoes say full course meal.
Who are you telling?
Yeah, kind of like a name. Want to get one? But I can try. I don't know. I don't know if we ever modeled jumping. You guys want to stand in constant? Can you stand here? And like, do you have a pose in mind you've ever done? I've seen some like, yeah, I don't know, like.
Pose before, but that's really difficult. So.
Perfect. I got you at the top. It wasn't perfectly centered, so maybe.
Models, photographers, they don't show up.
Yeah.
So hold up.
I was scared. I was like, man, I hope he's coming.
Especially going all the way out here.
We seen you recording. Delete all that.
I'm about to come and meet you.
And that's the great part about, you know, having your T's crossed and your I's dotted. You can do whatever you want.
Money, go get the money. Get you some